All right, so this is the final test and break-in. FS looks like it's right around 27 hertz, so that'll be plenty low for what Tony Baloney needs. This is again the Cliff Designs motor, which is the same as the MA Audio Hardcore. It just doesn't have the fake heat sink on the outside of the magnet. So, and this is the same logo that Tony had, like 6, 7, maybe even 10 years ago. So it's all good as new, good for another 10 years. So I wanted to do a follow-up as well on the this guy. So this is the replacement. So it turned out really nice. Just black poly cap on the Memphis LVS cone, which is a strong rubber Sanaprene, and the bolt holes for the this is for the home theater subwoofer. So for $250, he got a big upgrade to the quad stack, 2.5-inch coil with 8-inch spider, so it has plenty of throw. It's probably limited by the surround. Can't go too big on the surround, mostly because it has a grill, and you don't want it to, you don't want an Audi butthole poking at stuff. So, but I had the boys at the machine shop. I forget what it's called, but it's like a I just forgot the name of that one too, the wood version. But basically just mill this out and push the bolt hole pattern out a little bit to match the other one. Now this one did have holes already in it, which is like right here. So what I did was I flipped it yesterday and just put little drops of CA in there to make sure it's nice and sealed. So, but that'll be his woofer. And then I wanted to show you on the, yeah, this is theirs. From, was it Niles? So a lot of people see I got glue drips. Like, there's all these glue drips. So just jizzing away. Is there any more? So this is a good sub if you have a 2-inch, maybe a 2.5-inch coil, or even an adapter. So other than that, I mean, it's fine. It's not terrible. But we got to put some foam on the back too. That's what they use to seal it in instead of a gasket, or instead of a wraparound gasket. So, but yep, there's some jizz. Again, it's supposed to be inside the enclosure forever, so you'll never see the glue drips. But that's what you get. That's what you get for a $3,000 subwoofer. You still get glue drips. So fuck you guys. If you guys don't like glue drips, then make your own fucking subwoofers. All right, Jesus Christ. So I got more videos working, some other stuff. Again, I want to make separate videos. These seem to do better when they're shorter. So love you guys.